Asset says if a husband does not file taxes for his wife, will he have to adjust to file for a green card for her?
Yes.
Buana said, my friend just filed for his citizenship on August 27th, and he wanted to know if he can file for his wife now while his citizenship application is in process.
Yes.
Shan said, I overstayed my F1 visa. Will that affect me when my husband files my petition?
Not if he's a citizen.
Kenny said, where do you send your I-130? Nope, asked that. Will said, I'm a green card holder making $50,000. Will I be able to sponsor my 10-year-old son, or will I have any issues making under $62K?
You'll have issues. You need an affidavit of support.
Robert Lynn said, green card holders with Medicaid, are they affected on the public charge rule?
Only if you're sponsoring somebody.
Mark Campbell said, what happens if I have a child who's a citizen whom I collect SNAP for? Will I be penalized?
Only if you're filing for somebody.
Mark also asked, if I utilize the advanced premium tax credit, is there a penalty?
I don't even know what that is.
Temi Tope said, I had my adjustment of status in July and my case status says fingerprint is reviewed and completed. What does that mean?
It means that they reviewed your case and you're now in line for an interview.
Mom Bet said, I received food stamps for my U.S. citizen kids. Is it a public charge?
Yes, it is.
Brina said, hey, after filing VAWA for over 6 months, what's next?
Wait for hopefully the government to extend the law.
Les Lobo says, on a question on the citizen application form, it says, could you elaborate on the taxes? The IRS would allow the taxpayer to file for the last few years to be tax compliant. Would USCIS also accept that as sufficient to be USCIS compliant, or would an applicant have to file all the tax years?
You have to file all the tax years for which you owe taxes.
Mr. Willie VIP said, it's been 230 days since I responded to an RFE about a marriage certificate. Its normal priority date was July 2018, but I'm still
waiting. File a mandamus.
Joel Edme said, my adjustment of status has just been approved through an I-130 marriage. How long should I wait to apply for my 30-year-old son who's in removal?
File right now, but he's 30. It's not going to help him avoid deportation. He needs other help.
Udula said, what should I do now that I already got interviewed almost 5 months ago for my I-45, but I didn't get a green card? And they said within 120 days I would know, but I haven't.
Sit on your hands or file a mandamus.
Apple said, do you receive a work permit after filing an adjustment or after the interview, or does it vary?
After you file the adjustment, about 6 months.
Bless said, I just received a date for my interview, but I haven't received my work permit, and I did file for one. Is this normal?
Now it is.
Shayna said, when I was pregnant, I used Medicaid, but as soon as I had my baby, I stopped. So will it affect me when I'm ready to file my paperwork?
It certainly will.
LaCoy said, I have a pending I-485. Can I travel domestically with my new passport?
Yes.
Because ICE has my old one with my visa in
it.
T2 said, I filed for the I-751 divorce waiver in August 2017 and the N400 in 2018. I did my combo interview last month. Haven't done anything. Can I file for mandamus? Can I file mandamus? Damn it! I feel like we could have gotten it. We had another 5 seconds, Brad. You kill me.
No, there was another question after that.
Yeah, I know. We could have gotten it.
No.
But you're right. We couldn't have because my folder was out of questions.
What was that question?
So can T2 file a mandamus if he filed the I-751 divorce waiver in August of 2017 and the N400 in August of November of 2018? Did his combo interview last month? Still got nothing.
Well, you got to wait 120 days from there.
From there. Okay. So not yet.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.